Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ahmed and today we are talking about something that's quietly active on your YouTube account right now. And honestly, most people have no idea it even exists. And before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about helping you take control of your digital life, one setting at a time. So if that sounds like your kind of content, stick around and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. So picture this. Someone you have never met, someone who doesn't even follow you, can tag you in their comment or community post or anything as such. It could be on a controversial video, a heated argument, a spam thread, or worse, something outright offensive, and your name just shows up there. No permission asked. And I don't say that to scare you off. I say it because the awareness is the first step of fixing it. Now you must be thinking, Ahmed, how bad can it be really, right? It's just a mention. Well, let me explain why this actually matters more than it seems. First, your online reputation is something you should be of control. You should have that control, not someone else. When someone tags you into a negative or spammy or harassing comment, it can look like you're associated with that content, especially if someone is scrolling and sees your name pop up in a disturbing thread or stuff like that. You didn't put yourself there, right? But you are there. Second, this option opens the door to coordinated harassment. Bad actors can use mentions to rally others against a creator or even a regular viewer. It's a small loophole, but it's one that can snowball fast. Third, and this is the one people overlook the most, it's about control. Your digital presence should be curated by you. The fact that any random account can insert your name into their content without your consent is a privacy issue, plain and simple. And here's something worth thinking about. This isn't just a problem for big creators or public figures. Regular everyday users are just as vulnerable. In fact, I would argue regular users are more at risk because they're less likely to be monitoring their mentions closely. A creator with 1 million subscribers probably has a team keeping an eye on things. You might not notice for weeks that your name has been dropped into some toxic comment thread going viral in a niche community. By the time you find out, the damage to your reputation is already done. Even in a small circle could already been done. It's really bad. That's exactly why catching this early and disabling it now is so important. Think about it from another angle too. We live in a world where screenshots travel faster than context. Someone could screenshot a comment thread where your name appears completely out of context and share it across other platforms. Twitter, Reddit, WhatsApp groups. Suddenly people who don't even use YouTube are forming opinions about you based on a mention you never approved. It sounds extreme, but this is generally how online situations escalate in 2026. Protecting yourself isn't paranoia, it's just being smart about how the internet actually works. So let's fix it right now. I'll walk you through it. It literally takes 30 seconds. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner right here of the screen. Then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for History and Privacy option and tap on it. Inside it, you will see the toggle that says Allow users to mention me. If that option is turned on, well, definitely turn it off. And you're done. That's it. 30 seconds and you have taken back a piece of control over your YouTube experience that most people didn't even know they would lost. Also, while you are in the privacy setting, take an extra minute and scroll through the other options too. YouTube has a handful of settings tucked in there that most people have never reviewed. Things like who can see your liked videos, your subscriptions, your saved playlists, it's worth a quick audit. Think of it as a 2-minute privacy check that could save you a lot of headaches down the road. I actually plan to do a full breakdown video on every YouTube privacy setting worth noting, so if that's something interests you, please let me know in the comments and I'll bump it up on the schedule. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find these kind of videos. And if you want to keep leveling up your digital privacy game, make sure you're subscribed because we cover this stuff regularly. Every week there's something new that platforms are quietly doing with your data or your account settings, and my job is to make sure you stay one step ahead of it. Speaking of which, if you missed my last video, I talked about something even more alarming that's happening silently on Android phones. There's a hidden feature that's been quietly sending out your data, and most users have zero clue it's running in the background. The video is called Android phones are leaking data or something like that. Disable this hidden feature, so go ahead and check that video right now after this one. The link is in the description and you will have the video on the screen right now. Stay smart, stay private, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.